Welcome back to another BdThemes tutorial. Today we're excited to introduce LaunchGuard, our brand new plugin for WordPress. With LaunchGuard, you can build stunning coming soon and maintenance pages in minutes. Keep visitors engaged, collect emails, add countdowns, and track activity with built-in analytics. Customizable designs make your site's downtime professional and productive. Let's install it and see LaunchGuard in action. To begin working with LaunchGuard, open your WordPress dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, hover over the Plugins option and select Add Plugin. Since this plugin is available exclusively with the Pro version, make sure you already have the Pro file downloaded before continuing. Once you're ready, click on the Upload Plugin button, choose the file from your computer, and upload it. When the plugin finishes installing, click on the Activate Plugin button, which will immediately take you to the LaunchGuard license section. Inside the License tab, you'll be asked to enter your email address along with the license key that comes with your Pro package. After filling out those details, click the Activate License button. Once the license is successfully activated, you'll see information about the current status of your license, the type of license you own, and the expiration dates for both license validity and support. You'll also find a button here that allows you to deactivate the license if needed. From there, you can move into the General tab, which is the starting point for configuring how LaunchGuard works on your website. At the top, you'll find a simple toggle switch labeled Enable LaunchGuard. This switch allows you to turn the plugin on or off whenever necessary. Just below that, you'll see the option to choose between Coming Soon mode and Maintenance mode. The Coming Soon mode is typically used to introduce upcoming content or a launch message to your visitors. In contrast, Maintenance mode is designed to temporarily hold your site while you make updates behind the scenes. For this walkthrough, we'll select the Coming Soon option. Next, you'll notice the launch date and time settings. These options let you schedule a countdown timer to display on your site, which is especially useful for creating anticipation before a launch. If you decide not to enter a date and time, the countdown will simply remain disabled. Just beneath that is the Custom Message field, where you can write a personalized message to display to visitors. The field even supports HTML, so you can style the message exactly as you'd like. Keep in mind that this message is what users will see if you don't assign a custom page. Following that is the Custom Page option, which provides several preset page types you can choose from, such as About Us, Contact, Home, or Sample Page. For demonstration purposes, we'll stick with the Use Custom Message option. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save All Settings button at the bottom of the page whenever you update any of these fields. Now, let's head over to the Templates tab. This section lets you browse through a collection of professionally designed templates created to help you get started quickly. You also have the option to create a completely custom template from scratch if you prefer a design unique to your brand. When previewing a template, simply hover over it and click the Preview button to see the full layout in action. Take your time to explore the templates and choose one that matches the look and feel of your website. Moving into the Design tab, you'll have full control over the visual elements of your Coming Soon or Maintenance page. You can keep your existing website logo, upload a custom logo, or remove the logo entirely if you'd rather have a cleaner look. Just like before, once you're done making changes, be sure to click Save All Settings so nothing is lost. Next, open the Integrations tab. Here, LaunchGuard gives you the ability to connect with email marketing services. For example, you can link your site directly to Mailchimp to collect subscriber emails from visitors while your site is under construction. Simply enter your Mailchimp API key, select your list or audience ID, and save your settings to start collecting signups right away. The Password Protection tab adds another important layer of security. By enabling this feature, you can require a password for anyone who tries to access your site while it's in coming soon or maintenance mode. Once the feature is active, you'll be able to set the actual access password, provide an optional hint to guide users, and customize the button that appears on the page for password entry. You can adjust the button text as well as its position on the screen, choosing from the lower right, lower left, upper right, or upper left corners. You'll also have control over the content of the modal window that appears when visitors attempt to enter the password. The title of this window and the message displayed inside can both be customized, or if you prefer, you can leave them blank to use the default wording. Finally, you'll see the session duration option, which determines how long a user remains logged in once they've entered the correct password. Don't forget to save your changes when you're finished customizing this section. The next section you will work with is the Analytics tab. This area gives you a clear view of how your coming soon or maintenance pages are performing. Once you open it, you will notice a toggle switch that allows you to activate analytics tracking. By turning this on, you unlock the ability to monitor visitor behavior, measure conversions, and access detailed performance statistics directly from your dashboard. Inside the analytics display, you'll find data such as the total number of visitors, the number of email signups collected, the conversion rate, and how many unique visitors have landed on your page. You can also view trends of visitor activity over time, whether you want to analyze the past week, the past month, or a longer period. A separate section labeled Traffic Sources presents the flow of your incoming traffic in a visual chart, making it easy to understand where your audience is coming from. Since this demonstration is running on a fresh installation, no data will appear yet, but once your page is live, you will see valuable insights filling these sections. Toward the bottom, you'll also find convenient options to export your analytics data in formats like CSV or JSON, which can be useful for external reporting or sharing with your team. Moving on, you'll find the Social Media tab. This section lets you integrate your social media presence directly into your coming soon or maintenance page. At the top, there is another toggle switch. When you enable it and provide at least one valid social media link, your visitors will see the corresponding icons displayed on the page. The plugin supports a wide range of platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, Discord, and even WhatsApp. This makes it simple to keep your audience connected and engaged, even while your main website is under construction. Once you finish adding your preferred links, remember to save your changes so they appear correctly on the live page. The next area to explore is the SEO tab, which focuses on search engine optimization and visitor tracking. Here again, you'll notice a toggle switch that activates SEO features for your coming soon page. Once enabled, you can enter a meta title, which is the text displayed in search engine results. It's best to keep this title short, concise, and relevant. You can also add the meta author name and a meta description, which provides a short preview of your page in search results. Alongside these, you'll have the option to include meta keywords, separated by commas, to help search engines better understand your page content. This section also allows you to connect Google Analytics by entering your tracking ID, giving you deeper insights into visitor behavior. For those who need more advanced customization, there's a field to insert custom HTML tags, such as structured data or additional tracking codes, which will be automatically added to the head section of your page. As always, be sure to save your settings before moving forward. After SEO, you can explore the Advanced tab. This section provides more control over access and backup options. Here, you'll see the Access Control settings, which allow you to decide which user roles can bypass the Coming Soon or Maintenance page. For example, you might allow administrators or editors to view the live site while keeping it hidden from the public. Another useful feature within this tab is the Import and Export settings. With this, you can export your current setup into a JSON file to keep as a backup, or you can import previously saved settings to restore your configuration quickly and easily. Again, once you make adjustments, don't forget to save them. The final tab is the Help section. This area is designed to guide you whenever you need assistance. It includes direct links to the plugin's documentation, support forum, and video tutorials, as well as a contact option if you'd like personal assistance. These resources make sure you never feel stuck and can always find the answers you need. Once you have completed your customizations, you can preview your coming soon or maintenance page. You'll see that LaunchGuard creates a professional, stylish, and functional display for your visitors while giving you full control over the design and features behind the scenes. And that wraps it up. LaunchGuard gives you a simple yet powerful way to manage coming soon and maintenance pages, keeping your site professional while you prepare for a successful launch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and plugin tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from BdThemes, including LaunchGuard. Thanks for watching.